Hello everyone! Now we are going to talk about the copy, move and the remove commands. First thing that we have to do is to create a new directory structure. Let's get started. Let's issue mkdir copy and cd copy. The 2 ampersand means the logical end, so it will execute the first command and after that the second command. Hit enter. Now we are in the copy directory. Let's make another directory. mkdir fruits and test. Okay, hit enter. Create subdirectories with the P option. mkdir sour cherry. Hit enter. After all, touch some files that we will copy and move to these directories. So, touch description, taste, color and shape. Hit enter. Let's list this. ls-l. We can see there are 2 directories and 4 files. So we would like to copy the description file to each directory that we've created. How can we do that? Let's issue the copy command. cp description test apple C. The cp command will copy the file to the place where we would like to, in this case, description, to the apple/seed directory. Okay, hit enter and copy description test peer and copy description to test sour cherry. Let's issue some other copy commands too. So then we have 2 files in each directory, the description and the taste file. We have copied this, but we would like to move the shape to the peer directory and move the color to the apple directory. So type mv shape test/peer and mv color test/apple. Let's check out what happened. First, list the current directories to see that the file, shape and color are no longer here. Secondly, list the apple and peer directories to find the files. So ls-l test apple and test peer. The command mv can be used to rename the file. For example, if we would like to rename the test/apple/color file to size, just issue mv test/apple/color to test/apple/size. Hit enter. Check the renamed file. So ls-l test apple. So we can see the size file here and color is no longer here. Let's do some wild thing. Copy all the test files to the fruits directory. How can we do that? cp option R test fruits. Hit enter. Okay, let's list the fruits directory ls-fruits and hit enter. Now we can see the test directory in the fruits directory. The other option is for the recursive copy. which means copy all the files and directories from the test to the fruits. So we no longer need the test/apple/size file. Let's remove it. The rm command can be used to remove a file or files. For example, remove the size file from the test/apple directory. Type rm test apple size. Okay, hit enter and list it as -l test apple. The size has been removed from the directory. rm can be used to remove the directory and all of its content. Let's remove the test directory with the rm-rf test/command. This command will remove the test and every file and directory from it. Let's see what happened. ls-l, and there are no longer test directory, but we have ls-l test directory in the fruits directory. So fruits test. That's all for now. See you next time.